Paulino Flores, Vice President of Concord Concrete Pumps. Today I'm honored to share with you a vision and values that drive us forward in pursuit of excellence. At Concord, we're more than just a business. We are a community of innovators, dreamers, and achievers. Every day we come together to push the boundaries of what's possible to create solutions that make a difference in this world. Our success is built on foundation of integrity, quality, relentless dedication. We hold ourselves to the highest standards, ensure that every product, every service bears the mark of excellence that defines us. What truly sets us apart is the commitment to our customers. We understand behind every transaction, every partnership, there is a story, a need, and a goal. It's our mission not only meet, but exceed those expectations, to forge lasting relationships built on trust and mutual success. As we look to the future, we are filled with excitement and optimism. We see endless possibilities, new horizons to explore, challenges to overcome. We stand ready, united as one team, to embrace whatever comes our way, knowing that together, there is nothing that we can't achieve. Thank you for being part of this incredible journey. Together, let's continue writing the new chapter of success for Concord.